Hi, thanks for tuning in. I am Coach Sherry. In this video, I am taking you on an inside tour of St. Patrick's Cathedral in New York City. This cathedral is stunning. Oh, when I walked inside, it took my breath away. And I wanted to share this with you, and I hope that when you go to New York and you have a chance, stop by the St. Patrick's Cathedral, because even though I'm giving you the point of view from my lens, you really need to see it for yourself. And I wanted to share a little bit more about St. Patrick's Cathedral, something I found on Google. So St. Patrick's Cathedral is the mother church of the Archdiocese of New York and the seat of its Archbishop. Built by contributions large and small, it remains emblematic of the ascendance of religious freedom in the New World. As such, this international landmark is a beacon of hope for those who share the Catholic faith and a source of inspiration to the more than 5 million visitors of every religious denomination welcomed there each year. The cathedral has been a wellspring of hope and solace in times of peace and sorrow. While the surrounding urban environment has seen constant change, St. Patrick's Cathedral stands strong. It's a towering Neo Gothic church overlooking Fifth Avenue opposite Rockefeller Center. This church was dedicated in 1879. It is beautiful. And while we were there visiting, we happened upon a wedding. So you will see a bride and groom taking their vows here in this beautiful place. Well, I hope you continue to enjoy this video and this point of view, and leave me a comment. What did you see in this video that you liked? And have you ever been to the St. Patrick's Cathedral? Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you continue to enjoy.